As I'm normally traveling to quite beachy places, I wanted to do something different this time. I wanted to visit a place that is way more mysterious and somehow fairy tale-like, to test the new FEIYUTECH Gimbal AK4500. The professional 3-axis gimbal is specially designed for DSLR and mirrorless cameras and comes with a detachable, versatile arm handle supporting single-hand and low-angle shooting. Can also be mounted on a tripod and other accessories. You can not only produce buttery smooth content, but also try totally different angles. Next to the panning, follow and all follow mode, the selfie and interception mode are the most spectacular modes of this gimbal. With function buttons and LCD touchscreen, you can easily switch the gimbal working mode, control the rotation and parameter settings with just one hand. This way, you can create a unique travel video with smooth content and complete new perspectives.